Welcome to this channel. My name is Mario Ernesto and I upload videos related to upholstery so often to this channel, so make sure to subscribe before you leave, and I promise you will learn a lot of things related to upholstery. So in this video we'll show you how you can repair a backrest child pocket. This happens so often on Mercedes, BMW, and some other car. When you don't know how to do it, you might end up removing the whole seat, but you don't have to. Here I am on the Mercedes, and you can see right there is a pocket, and that pocket is attached to the plastic shell. It's not plastic, it's like a fiberglass board. You can see that elastic. It's not working. When I pull the pocket, it doesn't take it back. It doesn't go back. It stays there loose. This happened because some customer put a lot of stuff in there. That's what it is happening. So how are you going to remove this shell? Well, you have one click, then you have two plastic hood in the center, then two other hood on the top. You don't have to remove the whole backrest or the whole seat out of the car. Put a flat screwdriver in there and pull it. Same thing on there. The bottom is one click that is holding. Then on the center is like plastic shell. Just push it down, and that shell is out. I'm going to put it back that way you see it, in case if you haven't done something like this. Okay, it's in. Just push it down, and that's that. So the problem right here is this elastic. It's to have a stretcher, and you can see right there. It needs to be replaced. That's what is going on with this pocket. I'm going to take it to the table, and you can see there is webbing, and at the end is like 5 inches of elastic. I'm going to replace just the elastic. I cut the elastic. That elastic is not good, and I'm going to do the same thing. You can see it right there. That elastic has like a loops, and that loop go inside of one little plastic. Just make sure how you remove it, because you have to put it back. I'm going to put a 1 inch width elastic, and you can cut a little bit longer. Just later on you just adjust it. And I cut them on right there by half, and I'm going to take it to a sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can sew this by hand, and it's gonna be fine. So here I am. You can see right there I have a sewing machine, and I'm just going to join these two pieces together, and you can see them right there. I just reversing back and forth, making sure that the pieces are together in there, and that piece is done. I'm going to do the same thing with the other one, because I have two sizes, remember, left and right. So both pieces have the elastic. Now I'm going to take it to a table, and I have to make a hole right there. If you don't have a torch, you can make that hole with a punch, a small hole. Just be careful. And I use a propane torch because it is easier. But if you don't have it, just make a small hole with a punch hole, and like I said before, it's going to be fine. And you can see me right there, my friend. Look at that. The problem have been resolved. That is very important, and it's not that expensive. So now we're going to put it back. Remember, I said before, you had to click on the bottom, and two hood on the middle, and two hood on the top, plastic hood. So be careful, don't force it too much. You might end up breaking. So the bottom are to click, and then the rest are plastic hood. So just make sure, if you see it's not going in, just be careful. It's 3 fingers from the top, then you press it, and then you push it up. See, 3 fingers. I press it, I press it a little bit, then I push it up, and it's going in. I can tell you that it's in. that shell is in. So it's not a big deal. Simple, huh? Sometimes, my friend, when you don't know how to come apart something, you might end up breaking. You can see the problem has been resolved. How simple thing. Big difference, huh? Thank you for watching this video. The purpose of this video, remember this, it's not looking for work, it is not looking for employees, it is only to give you an idea how you can do certain things related to upholstery. And on this case, I'll show you how to repair this Mercedes 2013 back shell pocket. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.